Hello, my name is Paul Smith and I am with the Intuit ProSeries New Client Services team. I'd like to welcome you to the ProSeries installation video. This video will focus on three main topics: how to download and install from the ProSeries website, license the ProSeries program at the end of the installation, and install additional states or program modules. The following items will be required for the installation of the ProSeries program: an internet connection to access the accountants.intuit.com website, a valid My Account login for ProSeries, and administrator privileges on your computer that meets our system requirements. The recommended system requirements for the ProSeries tax program are a 2.0 gigahertz processor or higher, 4 gigabytes of RAM or greater, Windows 7 operating system or newer. The Windows XP operating system is no longer supported by Microsoft. Thus, ProSeries no longer supports the use of this operating system. More details regarding our system requirements are located on our website. To see the details for these requirements, go to our website at accountants.intuit.com. Hover the mouse cursor over ProSeries to display the drop-down selection and click System Requirements. Use the scroll bar on the right to scroll down and view the standalone and server requirements. To begin the installation of the ProSeries tax program, we will return to the accountants.intuit.com webpage. Click on My Account and enter in your user ID and password. After you have logged into My Account, the dashboard view will appear. On the dashboard view, you will see the Intuit products that you have purchased. For this video presentation, we are going to use the ProSeries Individual Complete product for tax year 2013. Click the Download Products link to be redirected to our Product Downloads webpage. The tax year field defaults to the current tax year. However, you can click the down arrow and select another year to install. Scroll down the product download page and select the Download Software button for the product that you are licensed for. For this video presentation, we are going to select ProSeries Professional Edition. Depending on the web browser in which you are using, you may be prompted to run, save, or open the download file before the installation begins. Choose whichever option is applicable and then launch the executable to begin the installation of the ProSeries tax program. The initial welcome screen will appear to begin the download and installation process. Click the Next button to continue. Use the scroll bar to review the End User License Agreement, and when ready, select the I accept the terms of the license agreement button, and then click Next. Select the standalone option, and then click Next. The default location for the ProSeries Professional Edition installation is the folder ProWin, followed by the 2-digit tax year, in this demonstration 13. We recommend accepting the default installation folder. However, if you need to change the location of the installation, then click the Change button to specify another location. Click the Next button to continue the installation. The following screen will allow you to select the federal modules and states for installation. If a federal module is selected, then the corresponding state modules will become available for selection. Selecting the hyperlink for a particular state will select all the checkboxes available for that state. If I select additional program modules, and then select the hyperlink once again for the state, it will then fill in all the checkboxes for that state. In this demonstration, we are only going to select the 1040 and California. Later in this video, I will show you how to install additional program modules or states from within the ProSeries tax program. On a side note, installing all modules and all states will affect the length of time it takes to launch and update the ProSeries tax program. We recommend selecting just the modules and states you know you will need. Click the Next button once you have made the selection for the installation. The installation loader will then begin the download process. After the download is complete, the loader will install key components for the program and apply program settings on the computer. Click the Next button to continue. Once the program has been installed, the Launch ProSeries checkbox will be selected. Click the Finish button to continue. When the program launches for the first time, it will need to be licensed. The Connected Customer Licensing wizard will run. This wizard will walk you through the licensing process for the ProSeries tax program. Click Next to continue with the wizard. Enter your customer account number and the sold to zip code in the respective fields and then click Next. The wizard will then communicate to the Intuit servers to confirm the product licensed and to import your firm information. Click Next when this process has completed. Your firm information will appear on the following screen. This is the information that will appear on the tax returns. Verify the information that appears is correct. If it is correct, select the Yes Radio button and then click Next. If the information is not correct due to either a misspelling or incomplete information such as a suite number, then click the No Radio button and then click Next. You will then have the opportunity to edit any of the information that is incorrect. Once you have made this edit, go ahead and click the Next button. The product license screen will then display your firm information as well as the products that the firm is licensed for use with ProSeries. Click the Continue button. The ProSeries update screen will then appear and display the program modules that were selected for installation along with the version and status for the corresponding federal or state forms. Click the Close button and the ProSeries tax program will then launch. We have now completed the steps of downloading, installing, and licensing the ProSeries tax program. Now let me show you how to install additional states or program modules from within the ProSeries tax program. Select the Update menu and choose the very first selection, Select and Download New Products. The Tax Year 2013 Product Selection screen is the same screen that we saw during the initial installation of the program. Simply place a check mark in the federal products you would like to install, as well as any additional states that you would wish to install as well. Remember, you can also click on the hyperlink for a particular state to install all the modules for that state. We'll select Next and Continue. The program will then communicate to our installation servers and download the additional modules and states that were selected for install. When ready, click the Install Now button. All changes made in the ProSeries program will be automatically saved before restarting. Click OK. Once the ProSeries update has downloaded the additional states and modules, click Close to launch the tax program. This concludes the video presentation. In review, The objectives that were covered should now prepare you to be able to download and install the ProSeries tax program, license the ProSeries tax program, and install additional program modules and/or states from within the ProSeries tax program.